Hello, my sisters. Today I gave my sisters a model. Top style. I wear these wide pants. Wide back elastic trousers. This bag I shared. My sister in the last video clip. If your sister doesn't know how, design these wide back elastic trousers to get back in. The old post I saw. Today we will design a dress pattern. Let's wear them with wide pants. This shirt will have buttons, and the half-hand part will expand. And the neck is the V-neck, and this is the splint. If you like, we can embroider in this part. So now we're going to go into the design. Here's the sample seal I used to design this shirt. The shoulder is equal to 32, the necklace is equal to 30, bust is equal to 80, the waistline is 6, buttock circumference is 80 and waist length is B5. If you guys had your measurements, you can use that number in place of this number. With the recipe I recommend. If there is no measurement, I'll find the video clip again. So you can measure these numbers yourself. Let's design the shirt. The first thing is that you will done as follows. We're going to put the non-nut part. Nut, you guys put it in. It's 2 inches. It's going to be 2 millimeters of gas. Then, the lower body will be the front. The upper body is the back. Then the body later is because it does not have a path. I opened the button, so I arranged it like this. You'll find yourself pushing this part further. So now we're going to start designing. I'll take the length of the shirt here. This shirt he'll wear over his ass, so I'll get it back. The length of the shirt is 60 millimeters. And then you build a perpendicular line. Then you'll have shoulder to shoulder. If you divide your shoulders by 2, 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took a root of 16. Down to 4. If I go to her, I will take her. Divide by the old year 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I start from the point. I took a 6 after that. Sisters connected. These 2 lines will get a shoulder line. Next, I'll have a chest reduction. Divide by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. And start from the horizontal line up here. I'll take it down to 18. I built a perpendicular line through. And then you're going to take it across your chest. You're going to divide your breasts by 4 and you're going to add 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. And then we'll get the lower waist. Let's lower the waist here and we'll get 35. Let's make a perpendicular line across. And then you're going to take it by the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. From here you can measure 18. Then lower your ass. You get your ass divided by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I took it over. 21. Then we connected this road. Connect it through here. Then this part goes up by 2 inches. I'll draw the line. Then you're going to lead a perpendicular path. Back up to gas. Split it in 2. Let's split it in half again. You'll be able to draw the armpit line in front of you. I finished the body first. Then you will back the neck. Hey Racho, I'm 2 petrometers. Get your neck down. Give me 7 millimeters of gas. 7. Let's build a perpendicular path that we turn. It's that we'll get the old part. We'll get it later. Use the lower body to adjust the neck. And then for the upper body and the lower body, from here you will go up and give me 2 inches. Then I painted. The way around his armpit is 7 li out, 0.7 li out. And this part, you're going to step back a little bit. And this ass, you're going to get to a gasoline. And we'll have the whole thing, the front and back of the shirt. The posterior part of the neck down here is ba, and you'll get the blueprints here. And this part of the design doesn't have seams. If you cut it on the cloth, remember to leave the seam. Now I'm going to cut the back. Follow the path. Red. Then we will have a back body follow the red line. The next one will be different than the one before. I will reduce for the part. You're going to cut out a piece of gasoline. Then the front of it will be below you. The body before it will be different. The back is this ass. It's smaller than a gasoline. So from here, I'll cut the body first. And then after you cut the part, if you go first, you will order the armpit back up. The front part will be smaller. The back is a gasoline. 5 is 2 millimeters for the shoulder. So I'll cut it down here. You see hips. Then the old part. The front body is a follow the curve below. I'll cut. Hey. I'll cut the neck down here. Then the armpit part. The front part will follow this black line. I'll cut my armpit into 7 glasses. Here you will get the shirt. When you are done, you will have. This will be the first body. You will multiply by 2. This will be the next body. A year later, the sisters gave one. Here are the women making the double cloth. Then, well, with this collar, here it is. It hasn't stopped, ladies. I will measure my neck here. The distance from here to here is 8. This part, you will fight back according to the neck on the body. Then we will get the part. The hybrid of the old part. Then you cut this short. That. And when we sew the neck leg, then we assemble in this position. Okay. Then the body before the body after me is done. Now I'm going to cut the sleeve. You will measure for me. My front arm measured 21. Back armpit ring. It was 22. After we get the armpit line, the front and the back, then you will cut. Give me the sleeve. This shirt is from up here. The lower chest. It will be as low as the armpits. It will be as high as the chest. Divide by 10 plus by 5. My bust size is 80. Divide by 10 plus 5 and we get 13. I built a perpendicular line. I took a path that was 13. I'm sorry, ladies. The way down from here to here is 13. Up here and down here 13. Then the curve is we take 21 plus. If 22 is equal to 43, you divide by 2, it's equal to 2 and 1.5. Then you'll get 21.5. And then you split it in half. Let's connect this row to one gas and this row to two gas. And this sleeve, you're going to get the mezzanine sleeve. I'll take 40. And where's the badger? Then we'll put the ruler into my hand. Then you'll add 3 more. I'll take the width of this arm. The lower hand is 14. It is up to you to measure it on your body. Then split it in half. This part you split in half again. Then we'll get the sleeve part. Then we'll get the sleeve part. Our sleeves are done. This will be the front hand. First hand, you'll come down. Give me a pinch of gas. And now we're going to draw the collar. The shirt is as I said in the beginning. We'll measure. From the top of this neck, I can measure 8 gasoline. Then the old part, and then we measure this as 11 gasoline. Well, we'll have the part. I'm going to take 8 plus 11. We'll be out 19. 8 plus 11 is equal to 19, and then you're split in 2. Then you build a perpendicular line. And this road, you're going to take it all. It's the size. Is equal to but gasoline 2. Then we'll get the old leg. With the model you like. If you are round, you will be round. If it comes in, we'll cut the neck. You're going to get the collar. Then this collar, when you assemble it, will be here. Then the neck behind it will be here. That's the length of the rest of the neck. Let's put it together, so we'll get the collar. I'll show you how to sew. Weiha. The first step. We'll leave the seam. If we arrange this, you also have to leave seam up here. Then we may cross a path. Then this way, you will. Sew brace. Or you can sew this way in so I can turn it on. then it'll be right here. After it lies down, then you'll start sewing the shoulder. The shoulder is done, the neck. Here, you'll cut it into 2 layers and glue the sugar. Fortunately, we're going to put this neck leg. Let's get in here and we'll get the collar. After sewing the collar, then we'll sew the arm into the body. I put my hand on my body. And then we'll cover the front of the back together. You will sew the seams. Sew ribs tay. Then we'll make it through here. And you will continue to sew lai tay. May lai shirt. And we're going to finish ironing this shirt. That's the process by which we're lucky. This shirt, ladies. And I wish you success. Please remember to like the channel. Thank you. Hi. See you later.